Hello students, myself Professor Anjali Patel from Raffle BBA College Vapi. Subject Entrepreneurship Development with respect to your semester 5 in your TY BBA. In today's section, we will learn about difference between entrepreneur and manager. So let's see the basic difference among the entrepreneur and manager. The first point, that is your primary motive. As a manager, the main motive is to render his service in an enterprise which is already set up by someone else and through which he can earn salary. मैनेजर का मेन मोटिव यही होगा कि वो अपनी खुद की सर्विस जो है वो सर्व करेगा और उसे अपना प्रॉफिट जो है वो अर्न करेगा. नाउ एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर व्हाट विल बी योर मेन मोटिव? द मेन मोटिव ऑफ एन एंटरप्रेन्योर इज टू स्टार्ट अ वेंचर बाय सेटिंग अप एन एंटरप्राइज. आपके आइडिया जो आपकी जनरेट की है उस आइडिया को वो कन्वर्ट करना है प्रोडक्ट में, तो उसके लिए आपको वेंचर तो स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा ना. दैट इज योर एंटरप्रेन्योर मोटिव. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज टाइम ओरिएंटेशन. व्हाट टाइम विल बी oriented as per the manager respond to quotas, budget, weekly, monthly, quarterly, annual planning horizon. जो टॉप ऑथोरिटी उसको बोलेंगे कि उस हिसाब से काम करना है, टाइम ओरिएंटेड के हिसाब से काम करना है, उसी हिसाब से वो रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा. बट इन हैज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर द टाइम ओरिएंटेशन कैन बी अप टू 5 to 10 years बिकॉज आपने जो गोल डिसाइड किया होगा वो आपका कंप्लीट होगा विद इन 5 to 10 years. So the end goal is can be achieved to 5 to 10 years growth of business. And if you has a guide and take action on it. Next point is your action. That is your third point. Now as an entrepreneur, what action you will do? You will do a daily routine action. For what purpose? To complete the tasks. So daily routine action will be taken by a manager for completing the tasks which is given by the top authority. But as an entrepreneur, what action will be there? As an entrepreneur, just think over. You will formulate a policies also for your enterprise. You will formulate strategy to earn a profit. You will make a plans to achieve your goal within a specific time period. So that is the role of an entrepreneur, or that is an action being taken by an entrepreneur. Next point is skills. As a manager, what basic skills is required? You are learning from first year. That is your managerial skills. You are required to have a managerial skills. Now, these skills can be performed. This skill can be trained by a professional trainers to perform the duty. So, manager is required to have a manager skill to discharge his duty. Now, this thing, what entrepreneur need as per a skill? He need a conceptual skill. He need a analytic skills. He need a technical skills. He need a innovative skills also. Conceptual skills means new ideas are being generated, and even you used to have a addition of future or addition of feature, addition of incremental value to your existing product. Analytic skills, you're solving each and every problem in precise way. You need to have a technical skills because whatever technologies are there in your entrepreneurship, that knowledge, that skills need to be there among you also. So as an entrepreneur, you need a conceptual skill, analytic skills, technical skills to run an enterprise. Now let's see the other points, that is attention. Now, as a manager, your main attention will be inside the corporation. But as an entrepreneur, you mostly focus on technology upgradation. You mostly focus on your market. What is the scenarios of market? So, as an entrepreneur, you will focus on technology and a scenario of market so that you can change as per the technology upgradation. You can change as per the market upgrade. That is the main attention as an entrepreneur. Next point is risk. As a manager who is serving his service and earning his salary, he will take a risk very carefully because he is there to earn a salary. He will not keep himself or herself in his risks. So whenever a manager used to take a risk, he will assume each parameter carefully. But as an entrepreneur, he will be a risk taker. Why is a risk taker? Why is considered to be a risk taker? Because he is starting as entrepreneur by assuming certain risks and creating an entrepreneur has a successful entrepreneur. So we know we have already learned that element of an entrepreneur is a risk taker ability. He invests very highly in each and everything and expected to succeed in that, and in that way he used to take a risk because risk arises from future and future is uncertain. Next point, market research. Now, as a manager, you will do research up to your department only. If I am a production manager, I will do research as per my production department only. If I am a finance manager, I will do research as per the financial department only. I will not do overall research. So, as a manager, you will do research up to your department only. He will conduct as a manager, you will conduct a market study to discover the needs and guide a product conceptual. You will not do overall research. But as an entrepreneur, you will create a needs. आइडिया जनरेट करते हो तो नीड भी तो क्रिएट कर रहे हो ना अपने कस्टमर की. तो एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर बाय डूइंग अ मार्केट रिसर्च you are creating a need, you are creating a product which often cannot be tested with a market research. So as an entrepreneur, you will create a need for your customer. Next one is your status. What will be the status of a manager? He is an employee of an enterprise. What will be the status of an entrepreneur? He is considered to be owner of an enterprise. Let's see the other 2 points, that is decision. Now, as a manager, you will take only day-to-day decision given by the top authority to do work. But as an entrepreneur, you will take overall decision and you will be more action oriented because you need to look after each and everything of your enterprise. Now, next point, who you are serving. Matlab, as a manager and as an entrepreneur, who they serve. Manager is serving himself or herself. That is his please self only. As a manager, you are serving yourself only now. So you are pleasing self and you are pleasing your customer. You are serving to your customers also. But as an entrepreneur, you are serving to society. आप देखोगे as an entrepreneur, you will start your entrepreneurship, you will have an enterprise and that enterprise will be serving to the society. So you are pleasing the other. Next is your failure and mistakes. Now, as a manager, you will also do mistakes, and as an entrepreneur, you will also do mistake. But as a manager, you will try to avoid that mistakes and failure. You will not consider that mistake once again. You will avoid that mistakes and failure. ठीक है? अभी as an entrepreneur, you will learn from that mistakes and failure. आप देखोगे आपके माइंड में आइडिया आई है, अपने आइडिया को इम्प्लीमेंट किया है, वो सक्सेसफुल वो आइडिया इतना इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ है, तो उस आइडिया से जो भी मिस्टेक्स हुई है, ठीक है, वो मिस्टेक्स से, वो फेलियर से आप लर्न करोगे और आप आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करोगे. बट मैनेजर क्या करता है, हर बार अपनी मिस्टेक्स जो है, अब हर बार जो अपनी फेलियर जो है ना, वो अवॉइड करता है कि मुझे फिर से उस मिस्टेक्स और फेलियर में जाना नहीं है. दैट इज योर बेसिक डिफरेंस एज अ मैनेजर एंड एंटरप्रेन्योर. Next one is your rewards. That is your last point. As a manager, what will we get as a reward? That is your salary, which is certain. And as an entrepreneur, what reward you will get? That is your uncertain profit. So, why I have written uncertain profit? Because sometimes the profit are not being generated. Sometimes your profit may not be generated. Sometimes the profit may be generated. So uncertain profit which is not been defined के हमें इतना मिलने वाला है. मैनेजर को तो सैलरी मिलने वाली है ना, बिकॉज हम जब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं मैनेजर के साथ, हम डिसाइड कर रहे हैं कि उसको इतने सैलरी देने वाले. बट एंटरप्रेन्योर जब अपना एंटरप्राइज स्टार्ट कर रहा है तो उसको नहीं पता है कि उसको प्रॉफिट मिलने वाला है कि नहीं मिलना. कभी मिलेगा भी, कभी नहीं भी मिलेगा. दैट इज अनसर्टेन प्रॉफिट विल बी द रिवॉर्ड ऑफ एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. जैसे कि आप रिलेशन की बात करें मैनेजर और एंटरप्रेन्योर में, तो एंटरप्रेन्योर का रिलेशन जो होगा वो ज्यादा स्टेक होल्डर के साथ होगा, और मैनेजर का जो रिलेशन होगा वो हायर की होगी और इंटरनल रिलेशन होगा. So that is the basic difference between the entrepreneur and manager. Hope you are clear with this concept. Thank you all.